Welcome to West Bengal Judicial Service Preparation. Here you can resolve all your queries about the West Bengal Judicial Service examination conducted by the West Bengal Public Service Commission. I welcome you over here, and today we are going to discuss about the West Bengal Judicial Service examination 2021. When the examination will be conducted, the age requirement, educational qualifications, the scheme and syllabus of this examination. So firstly, let us discuss about the qualification of this examination. So to take this examination, one must have a degree in law and an enrollment as an advocate in the role of bar counsel of any state or union territory. So the basic two requirements: a degree in LLB and an enrollment as an advocate in any bar council of any state or union territory. Okay, the next comes the age requirement. So the age requirement for taking this West Bengal Judicial Service examination is not less than 23 years and not more than 35 years. Okay, so the two basic requirements are LLB degree, enrollment as an advocate, and age not less than 23 years and not more than 35 years. Okay, now about when will the examination of this year, means 2021, will be conducted. So the PSC has released a notification that all the examination conducted between 7th of May till 30th July has been postponed. So we have ample amount of time to prepare ourselves and to take this examination. So now let's see the scheme and syllabus. So this examination is taken in three parts. Firstly the preliminary examination, then the mains examination, and then the interview part. The preliminary examination consists of 200 marks, the mains of 1100 marks consisting of 9 main subjects and 3 optional subjects we have to choose according to our choice, and the interview part consisting of 100 marks. Okay, so let us have a look at the preliminary examination scheme. What are the subjects? So here you can see this is an old notification of 2019. There has been no change in the syllabus till now or notified by the PSC. So we will go by this syllabus only and prepare according to this syllabus. So firstly, for the preliminary examination, the subjects and the marks allotted to the subjects are English composition 30 marks, general knowledge, current affairs and test of reasoning 40 marks, Indian constitution 20 marks, law of contract and torts 20 marks, law of evidence 20 marks, civil procedure code, criminal procedure code and Indian penal code. The three of these subjects consist of 40 marks, and the personal law consisting of the Hindu law and the Muslim law 10 marks, and the law of limitation 20 marks. So these are the subjects for which we have to study in the preliminary examination. The examination is of 200 marks, and each question will carry 2.5 each question will carry 1 marks, and the time allotted will be 2.5 hours. And these are multiple choice questions, and there is no negative marking. So we can start our preparation according to this syllabus. Okay, now let's come to the compulsory papers for the main examination. After you get selected in the preliminary examination, the next phase of the examination is the final examination or the mains examination. So let us have a look at the compulsory papers for the examination. The compulsory papers are firstly the English composition, essay and precis writing, that is the English grammar portion. This essay, composition and precis writing, letter writing, all those things will be included. And for persons, we have this Bengali paper, and we have the option to choose Hindi, Urdu, Nepali, Santali. Okay, whatever mother tongue we have, we can choose the papers. If one is Bengali, then he or she can choose Bengali. There's option for Hindi, Urdu, Nepali and Santali also. This is a Bengali, Hindi, English means mother tongue paper. If one is Bengali, he or she can opt for Bengali. Hindi speaking Hindi, Urdu, Nepali, Santali. So this is a language paper. The first two are the language papers, English and Bengali. Next we come to the general knowledge and current affairs paper. This is each paper consisting of 100 marks. Okay, so the general knowledge and current affairs papers. Then we have the civil procedure code, then the criminal procedure code and Indian penal code, then the Indian evidence act, Then we have the law of contract and tort. These are combined subject, and the civil procedure code and the Indian penal code are also combined. Okay, so next, then the 8 number paper is the Transfer of Property Act. So these are the 8 compulsory subjects which we have to take examination, and each subject consists of 100 marks. Next, here we see the optional papers. From this 8 optional papers, we can choose any 3. So total we have to take examination of 11 papers. So let us have a look at the optional papers. Optional papers are Hindu law, Mohammedan law, jurisprudence and principle of legislation, Indian law relating to companies and insurance, principle of equity including the law of trust and specific relief, Partnership Act, law of limitation and law of prescription, the Indian Constitution and constitutional law. So these are the optional subjects, and from these subjects we have to choose any 3 of our choice. Okay, so this is the basic scheme and syllabus of the examination. Now after one person has cleared successfully the preliminary examination and the main examination, both the examination, then comes the personality test or the interview part consisting of 100 marks. So this is the full scheme and syllabus of the West Bengal Judicial Service examination, and now the whole country is going through the pandemic and everywhere lockdown is imposed, and we have ample amount of time to prepare ourselves for this examination. So if you are studying LLB or you have passed out, doesn't matter, start your preparation right now. So these are all the basic subjects. We have seen the syllabus in thorough details, and these are all the basic subjects that we study in LLB. So I would suggest you to start your preparation and crack this examination successfully. I hope you all will attempt this examination and do your best. All the best to everyone. Thank you.